They're just chasing their mother. But the mother is just like swim away faster. Don't care about the baby. Oh dear. I have the mother now. Is that the mother? There you go. Ah, okay, that's the mother. Mm. I wonder what's that one. Never seen like that before. Like swimming in the like a swan. So that's the mother actually. They're eating something like oh, they're feeding them now. Oh, cutie. What type of bird is that? Never seen like that before. Like living in the water. Where is it? I see them eating leaves, some sort of flower. So there are two of them, two mothers.